Subscribe to Mastermind channel and click the bell icon to get the latest updates of our videos.
So hi guys, this is Varsha and you're watching Mastermind. Well, I was very glad to see your question paper, mathematics question paper. It was comparatively much easier than the previous years. This was easy. This question paper was, this time the question paper was easy. Well, I had also asked you in the community tab, many of you had given, many of them had voted for easy. Mathematics question paper was easy, many of them have voted for easy. So I was very happy and very glad to know that you have done well in your exams. Some of them have spoiled too, mind you. Now you cannot do anything for that. Whatever you have done, it's done. It cannot be changed. Now you have to work well for the other subjects that are left out. So in this session, I'm going to discuss some of the important questions which are asked from your map pointing and topography sheet. Topo sheet. Map pointing consists of 10 marks and topography is your for 20 marks. It comes for 20 marks and the rest 50 marks question. It is asked from your section next part, that is question and answers. And friends, for geography you have to learn any 5 chapters properly, and this time it is a good news for you. It was there for the previous year also, 2018, and from 2018 onwards the question paper pattern is quite different. Before it the transport and one more chapter, waste, it was combined and given, but this time it is given separately. Transport and waste, it is given individually, 10 marks each. So it is good that you don't have to study 2 chapters. If you study that too, it will not be given combined, so it will be easier for you. You can score well. Friends, to be on the safer side, I suggest you to study at least 6 chapters properly for your this geography exams. Please do not study only 5 chapters. Study at least 6 chapters properly, so that even if transport and waste is given combined, because it depends on the council. We can just say you, but still might be it can be given together this time. It depends on the council, because in 2018, in the year 2018, it was not informed. So we didn't knew that. Nobody knew that. So I suggest you to study at least 6 chapters properly, so that if you are getting combined, it is transport, you are not getting complete questions from transport and not getting complete from waste management. If it is given together, mixed, then also you will be able to write. So prepare for at least 6 chapters properly. So friends, I have already made a video in which I have discussed all the important questions which are asked in your board exams from geography, some of the probable questions. So go through that, it is for your revision. And also I have explained in that video the question paper pattern of geography. So I am not going to explain it again. You can, I don't want to waste my time. So if you have not watched that video, then you can watch it from the link provided in the description box of this video. So firstly, I'm going to discuss some of the important things which are asked from important questions which are asked from your map pointing. So if we are talking about mountains and plateaus, go through Himalayas. After that, go through Karakoram, that is important. After that, Chota Nagpur Plateau, that is important. You have to mark it. These are from the map pointing, which you have to mark it in your map. Question is given and you have to mark it. So I'm talking about mountains and plateaus, some of the mountains and plateaus which are said to mark, you are asked to mark. So Karakoram, after that Himalayas, Chota Nagpur Plateau, after that Garo, Khasi and Jayantia Hills, they are on the right hand side, on the northern side, eastern side. It's given, they are together, these 3 hills are together, Garo, Khasi and Jayantia Hills. These are important. After that, the Western Ghat, it's very easy, it's on the below near Kerala, and in the eastern side, Eastern Ghat is there. So practice both Western Ghat as well as Eastern Ghat. After that, Nilgiris Hill is important. Now talking about passes, there are 2 passes. There are many passes, but practice 2 passes. Mark it. It is Karakoram Range and Nathula Pass. Practice that. That is asked most of the time. You can also refer to your 10 years, because in 10 years it is given till now, whatever from the last 10 years till now, whatever is there in the syllabus and whatever you have been asked for map pointing, you can go through that. That is important. After that, you are asked to mark the directions of the winds. That is important. After that, from your water bodies, Chilka Lake is asked. You need to mark where is Chilka Lake. After that, Gulf of Kutch, Gulf of Khambat. After that, Gulf of Mannar, and then Palk Strait, which is near your Sri Lanka and India, in between that. After that, rivers. Now from your rivers, you have to practice all the rivers: Indus, Satluj, then Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Brahmaputra, everything. After that, you are asked to mark a region in the map where black soil is found. Suppose I'm giving you an example: black soil. Mark a region where black soil is found. So you need to mark it. You need to practice where all the soils are formed. From soils in India, you have to practice map. So friends, these were some of the questions which are asked from your map pointing. And friends, I'm not saying you that you have to practice this only. From your 10 years, go through whatever are there, whatever is there. All are important because 10 marks question is coming from map pointing. So do not leave any, practice all. But these were some of the things which are commonly asked. Most of the time it is asked, so I said you. But there are some more questions. In 10 years, go through all the past 10 years, whatever map pointing questions are there, practice that in your map pointing. After that, now comes your topo sheet. Now from your topo, you are asked 20 marks question. And friends, I'm telling you, do not leave any questions. Topo questions are also important from your topography. You will be provided the topo sheet by the supervising examiner. You don't have to get it. Many of them were asking that whether you have to take your own topo sheet or not. So topo sheet, it depends which topo sheet. All topo sheets are not same. It depends on the council which questions they are going to give. And you are not allowed to take anything. You are not allowed to carry anything extra from your side. You are only allowed to take your whatever requirements, materials you are required for writing and all, pens and all necessary accessories. You are not allowed to take even your cardboard. You know that you are giving your board exams now. This is the time for your board exams. You know that you are given a booklet from the supervisor. You are not allowed to take cardboard also. So now talking about topo sheet, before practicing anything, you need to know all the conventional signs and symbols. That is important. All the settlements and all, you need to know the symbol of temple and all, settlement, perennial, rivers, tanks, etc. Everything. And friends, four-figured grid reference and six-figured grid reference, that is asked. You have to practice that. In your four-figured, it is easy. First, you have to take the vertical one and then the horizontal one. And in your six-figured also same thing, but when you are taking the vertical one first, then you have to take 2 digits. After that, give a dash, and then another 2 digits, and then give a dash again. And then now that box, you need to four-figured. Of that, you need to divide it into 10 parts, both horizontally and vertically. And you have to take the exact reading where it is coinciding, both of them. Like your graph in mathematics, you have to do in that way. Now, after your four-figured and six-figured grid reference comes your river. You are river is given in the topo sheet and you are asked the direction. Suppose Banas rivers, then you have to ask, it is asked that you need to say which river is flowing from which direction to which direction. So most probably it will be given. You have to look into the river carefully. An arrow will be given and it will be shown which direction it is going. An arrow will be there. And many a times arrow is not given. It might not be given also. Then you have to see the contours. You have to see the contours and you have to know that. You have to understand and you have to find out the direction of the river. And river always flows from high level to low level. You have to know that. After that comes your perennial tanks and all. You have to see which is perennial tank, which is dry tank and all. Stony waste. After that you are asked brackish. What is a brackish? Suppose if it is asked, then you have to write that brackish is a salty water which is not suitable for drinking. After that, stony waste. What is a stony waste? So it is a wasteland. After that, if white patches are there, then what does it symbolize? So it is again a wasteland. If yellow, then it is for agriculture. And settlements and all, you have to go through settlements. With settlement, compact and all, nucleated or compact settlement. After that, dispersed settlement or scattered settlement. You have to see that. You will be asked that. And I cannot suggest anything which question you have to study because it depends on the topo sheet and it totally depends on the council which questions they are going to give. Go through the past 10 years, but for your map you can go through past 10 years, but for your topo you are given the answers, you are given the questions in your 10 years, but you are not given, the main problem is that you are not given the topo sheet. So for your topo sheet, you are given some of the books from one book from your school. That is for practicing your topo sheets. Many model test papers are there for your topo sheet. One side topo sheet is given and another side questions are asked, and you have to practice it from there. It is prescribed to you from the council and it is given in your school. Your school teachers might have been teaching you topo sheet from there only, so you have to practice it from there. It is for your reference purpose. Practice that, you will get an idea of how the topo sheet questions are asked. And you are also asked how to measure, suppose you are also asked to measure some of the rivers, length of the rivers from this distance to this distance, suppose, then you have to, from grid reference this to this, it is mentioned and you have to measure the length. So you will be provided a thread by the supervising examiner. You will be provided a thread and you have to measure the length of the river. After that, I'm going to show you one book. I have this book. You might be having different book also. Now it depends on your school. And this is a book. It is new topo map book. Here all the questions are given as well as answers are also given. Topo sheet is given on one side and questions are asked and answer is provided separately. In this book, I have a booklet, answer booklet. I don't know where it is. I'm not getting. Oh, it's here. This is an answer. Answer is given. This is topo map book and all the answers are given of this book. So if you you might also be having some of the books for your practice, for your reference. So practice it from there. So I end here. There is nothing more to say. I'm not going to waste much of your time. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, then please do give the thumbs up button and subscribe our channel Mastermind and do question us if you have any queries related to your board exams. I will be helping you. Thank you. Friends, I forgot to mention, when you're doing your map pointing, make sure that you do not make your map dirty. Make sure that you keep it neat and tidy. It should not be overcrowded. And when you're doing your topography, when you are asked to find the compass direction, then you have to do in degrees, then you have to use protector. You have to carry protector with you, and if it is asked the direction, then you have to write northwest or northeast northwest in that manner.